Listen here. Now type 3. Already 2 type over. First type is what? Denominator having product of 2 linear factor, or otherwise denominator having product of 3 linear factor. A by something, B by something, or A by something, B by something, C by something over first model. Next model is what? First linear factor, one more linear factor, but square is involving. What is the formula? A by first factor, B by without square, C by with square. In this way, you will separate. Now, third type is denominator having this is a linear factor, this is a quadratic factor. This is a quadratic factor means need not factorize. Not possible to factorize this one. That's why it is a quadratic factor, no? Some other idea. That's all. Sometimes this term first will come, this term second will come. Whatever may be, the concept same. Denominator having quadratic factor, it is not factorial form. That's very important. So here minus involving mean it is factorial form. It is on the form a square minus b square equal to a plus b in the formula, you know. By using that idea, you want factorize. But in between, minus involving by using the formula to factorize. But here plus is there. Therefore, this quadratic factor is not factorial form. Therefore, third type. Now write the question. 2x plus 1 by x minus 1, x square plus 1 equal to, this is a linear factor. That's why a by linear factor. This is a quadratic factor, no? That's why here bx plus c will come. This idea. This is very important. Previous question a by b by c by. But the above quadratic factor bx plus c. So first is quadratic factor, what do you mean? Ax plus b. In this way you want it. The quadratic factor not factorizable form. That means this idea. Second involvement bx plus c. First involvement ax plus b by something. That's all. Now I already told you the denominator always, denominator and the LCM will be always equal. That's why this will be cancelled. Already told you. Am I right? A into cos 45 x square plus 1. Here bx plus c into x minus 1. Then as usual, to find A, B and C. Am I right? Now, the first one inside by x square plus 1 is there. X square plus 1 is there. You are putting x to any number, we will not get 0. That's why next consider next part x minus 1. Now x minus 1 means replace x by 1, automatically 1 minus 1 0 means 0 into something, the whole thing will be 0, automatically we get a value. Well, inside the bracket square is there, that's why putting x to any number, we will not get 0 because square is there. That's why consider linear factor x minus 1, put x is equal to 1. Therefore, in left hand side 2 into 1 plus 1, right hand side 1 square plus 1, but here directly put 0. What is the reason? X 1, 1 minus 1 0. 0 into something, the whole thing will be 0. Now 2 plus 1, a into 1 square plus 1, no? 2. Am I right? 3 equal to 2a. We want a. So a equal to what? 3 by 2. This is the first answer. Am I right? In this way we find the first answer. Now listen here. Already told you, previous model, linear factor, here also linear factor, put the change sign, replace x value, put change sign, we get some other answer. But here, this is only linear factor, put x equal to 1, we get the first answer. This is not linear factor. That's why the previous idea, equating x squared term. Equating x squared term. Am I right? In left hand side, no x squared. Am I right? That's why 0. In right hand side, x square into 1. That is x square into a, no? A x square. What is a? The x into x square, only b is there. B into x square, that is b. Am I right? Because plus b is there. Yeah? Only plus b is there. Am I right? This is b. Now, a already find, no? So minus 3 by 2 equal to b is the second answer. Am I right or not? Now, equal to first one, inside linear factor, Change the sign, put x equal to 1, we get the first answer A. Now equal to x square term, we get next answer. To find third answer, no? That's why here, put x is equal to 0. This is a problem, put x is equal to 0. Now 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, here, a into 0 square plus 1, here, b into x is 0, no? 0 plus c, here, last one is what? 0 minus 1. Here 0 plus 1, 1, am I right? A into 1 plus, here what? 0 plus c, no? C into minus 1. That 1 equal to a minus c. A already find out 3 by 2. We want c. The minus c comes as plus c. 3 by 2 minus 1. Now what is LCM? 2 is LCM. So 3 minus 2. So your answer is c equal to 1 by 2. In this way, you will find A, B, C. Now write the question. What is the question? 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 and x square plus 1 equal to A is what? 3 by 2 by x minus 1 plus bx plus 0. 3 by 2x, c is what? 1 by 2 by x square plus 1. Now book answer is 3 divided by 2 into x minus 1. Out of this 2 is LCM now. But divided by here 2 into x square plus 1. Here minus 3x plus 1. You write positive first. 1 minus 3x. In this way you want right. This is the answer. Actually minus 3x plus 1. But you want right first term. First actually 1 minus 3x by 2 into x square plus 1. This is the answer. But anyway, this problem also same method. About inside the bracket, quadratic equation, quadratic factor, not cartesian form. This is the idea. One is linear factor. That's why change the sign. Put x equal to 1, we get the first answer. Even x square term, next answer. Put x equal to 0, we get another answer. Substitute all the values of a, b, c in the question, that is answer. Anyway, this also 5 mark question. Already told you, denominator having the whole square or inside bracket square is not meaning. Important question, mind it. That's all. First question over. First one. Type 3, the first question, exam problem over. Now, exercise problem, exercise 2.1, 8th problem. Here, denominator is what? This is leading factor. This is the quadratic factor. Here, in between plus is there. Therefore, this term is not factorial form. Am I right? Now, suppose your minus will only be, what is the formula? A square minus b square, no? X square minus 1 square, 1 square minus 1 square. X plus 1, x minus 1. But this is linear factor, here linear factor, third term also linear factor, therefore first model, A by something, B by something, C by something. But here, this is a quadratic factor and also not factorial form. That's very important. Now write the question, x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Now, first one is linear factor, no? So A by linear factor. Am I right? Plus, the next one is what? This is a quadratic factor. The above quadratic factor is bx plus c. That's important. Now, as usual, this is a denominator. The LCM also, the same denominator will come. This will cancel. Numerator is what? X square minus 1 minus 3. A into cos multiplied by x square plus 1. Here, bx plus c, the bracket is very important, into x plus 2. Am I right? Now, to find A, B and C. Here, this is a quadratic factor. That's why, put x is equal to some number, they will not get 0 because square is there. That's why consider next linear factor x plus 2. That's why put x is equal to minus 2. The left hand side minus 2 whole square minus 3. A into minus 3 whole square plus 1. Here, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. When x is equal to minus 2 means minus 2 plus 2 0. But 0 into something, the whole thing will be 0. Directly put 0. This is minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 3. A into 4 plus 1. Am I right? Now 1 equal to 5a. So a equal to what? 1 by 5. So a equal to 1 by 5. First answer over. Next one I told you. This is only one leading factor. X plus 2 is the only leading factor. But x equal to minus 2, we get the first answer. Now equating x square term. Equating x square term. In left hand side, x square is there. Previous problem, left hand side no x square term. But x square term is there. Input of x square no number is 1. Equal to right hand side, x square a. Then x into x square into b. That is b, a plus b. A is 1 by 5 plus b. 1 minus 1 by 5 equal to b. 5 is LCM. 5 minus 1 equal to b. So b equal to 5 minus 1, 4 by 5. This is the second answer. Now what I told you next say, put x equal to. The left hand side, 0 square minus 3. Right hand side, 0 square is 0 plus 1. 0 square need not put, simply 0. Am I right? Next say, plus b into 0, 0 plus c. The last one is 0 plus 2, 2. Now here minus 3. A into 1, A. Here 2 into C, 2C. A already divided 1 by 5. Minus 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 2C. Am I right? 2C equal to, now 5 is LCM. Cross multiply, minus 15 minus 1. Minus 15 minus 1 is 1, minus 16. Then 2c equal to minus 16 by 5. The c equal to, cancel 2 times, then 8 times. Therefore c equal to minus 8 by 5. Therefore automatically we get the value for A, B, C. Final step, substitute all the value in the given process. What is the question? Therefore x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to A. A is what? 1 by 5 divided by x plus 2 plus B. B is what? 4 by 5x minus 8 by 5 by x square plus 1. Now this can be as 1 by 5 into x plus 2 plus here 5 by common no, denominator 5 into x square plus 1. Numerator is what? 4x minus 8. That is the answer. That's all. So both the same model. This is the 5%. What more question is there? This one we have only 3 problems. Now 10th question, the same method. 1 by x square plus 4, x plus 1. Suppose the same problem, x square minus 4 into x plus 1 involving me equal to, actually therefore x square minus 4 equal to what? X square minus 2 square. What is the formula? X plus 2, x minus 2. It is on the form a plus b, a minus b. Therefore x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1. If it is your minus involving me, by using the factorization formula, we get product of 3 terms. Therefore, first model, a by something plus b by second term, c by x plus 1. In this way, you want to continue the problem. First is the model. Am I right? But here, x square plus 4 is there. That means not factorizable in this form. This one is not factorizable form. That's why by using which idea? In numerator, this is a quadratic factor, no? The above quadratic factor, here first will come, no? Ax plus b will come. Am I right? Next will come in bx plus c. The first will come in ax plus b. This is the idea. Now write the question. X square plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to ax plus b divided by the quadratic factor. Am I right? Plus C, A, B, no, next C by x plus 1. Now already told you, no? LCM is what? X square plus 4 into x plus 1 is the LCM. Cross multiply ax plus b into x plus 1 plus c into here x square plus 4. Here 1 denominator is what? X square plus 4 x plus 1. This will be cancelled. To find a, comma b and c. Now first thing is x plus 1 is there. For change sign, put x equal to minus 1. Left hand side no x there. That's only this one only come. This one only come. Suppose x involved mean replace x by minus 1. But here no x there. Equal to here when x equal to minus 1 mean minus 1 plus 1. Okay? Minus 1 plus 1 0. And the whole thing will be 0. Plus here c into minus 1 whole square plus 4. Am I correct? 1 equal to c into 1 plus 4. C into 5. Am I correct? 5c equal to 1. Or c equal to 1 by 5. Am I correct? Actually, previous two problem, the quadratic factor next will come. Next involving. That's why bx plus c. A by something, next one bx plus c. But here quadratic first involving. That's why ax plus b by quadratic factor, c by linear factor. Take a same and cancel. Cancel linear factor. X plus 1 is a linear factor. Replace x equal to minus 1. This term 0. The whole thing will be 0. Am I right? Next thing x square plus 4 is that this is not a linear factor. Now equating x square term. Equating x square term. In left hand side, no x square term. Mind it. Left hand side, no x square term. Right hand side, ax and x. Multiply ax square. A will come. Here cx square. C will come. Already c find out. A plus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 equal to a. This second answer. Next is what? Put x equal to 0. Left hand side 1. No x term. Right hand side a into 0. 0. 0 plus b. Here 0 plus 1. Next c into 0 plus 4. Now 1 equal to b into 1 b. Plus 4 into c 4c. Okay? Now substitute c value. Come say minus 4 into 1 by 5. 1 by 4 by 5 equal to b. Now we want b, no? B equal to 5 is LCM. Here cross with 5 minus 4. B also 1 by 5. B also 1 by 5. Now write the question. What is the question? 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to ax plus b. No, a is what? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 x plus b is what? 1 by 5 by x square plus 4 plus c is what? 1 by 5. The factor is what? X plus 1. Now the pi is common now. Pi into x square plus 4. Numerator is what? Minus 1x plus 1. Minus 1x plus 1 is what? 1 minus x. Okay? Plus 1 by 5 into x plus 1. This is the answer. First of always we need plus positive. That's why minus x plus 1 can be known as 1 minus x. That is the answer. But anyway, we have only 3 problems. This model. Inside the bracket, linear factor, quadratic factor. Or quadratic factor or linear factor, we have only 3 problems. Exercise 2 problem. Example, only 1 problem, 3 problem only. One more problem, some other area. Totally we have 3 type over. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1 is what? Denominator having product of 2 term or product of 3 term. Next is what? Next one is quadratic factor. Next one is what? The quadratic factor whole square is involved. But here, one quadratic factor, one linear factor. Then, linear, both are linear factor. First model. Next one, both are linear factor. For one factor having square, that area. Once again, I want to explain everything. First model, denominator having product of 2 term. Second is what? Product of two terms, but is one whole square. Next one is what? Inside the bracket square. That's all. This whole is without square. This whole square. This quarter equal. Inside the bracket, x square is square. This is whole square. In this way, we have three model, three type. All three types are over. Only one part of the sum of the idea. Now listen here. Sixth problem. This is the only problem having power 3. Whole power 3. Previous problem only square, up to square. Without square, with the square. But here power 3 involving, we have only one problem. This is, we have two methods are there. One is book method. But I will do some other method, easy method. This type of question involving me, the whole cube involving me, inside bracket whatever may be, it will be y. Am I right? Afterwards, the minus 2 comes to say y plus 2 equal x. Am I right? This is the question. The power 3 involving me, inside the bracket, whatever may be, let it be y. From this relation, you will find the value of x. Now, once I write the question, this is a question. This is a question, no? Equal to. Now, the question involving x variable, no? Now, I want to convert to y variable. The inside bracket x minus is what? Y. Y power 3. Am I right? 2 into 2 is x square. X is what? Y plus 2. Y plus 2 whole square. Minus 5 into x is what? Again. 5 is what? 5 into x is what? X is y plus 2. Last is what? Minus 1. In this way, the question involving the x variable, in the name of substitution method, replace x minus 2 by y. From this relation, you will find the value of x, y plus 2. Replace x minus 6 y, replace x by y plus 2. Now simplify. Now questions are involving x and x. Now the question is converted to y variable. Now simplify, that is the answer. Very simple concept. Now 2 into, it is of the form a plus b whole square, y plus 2 whole square. That is what? A square plus b square, that means 2 square, that is 4, plus 2ab, 2 into y into 2, that is 4y. Am I correct? It is of the form a plus b whole square. This is a square, that means y square, plus b square, 2 square, that is 4, 2 into y into 2, that means multiply 4y. Next one is what? Minus 5 is there, no? 5 into y minus 5y. Next, minus into plus minus 5 to 10. Am I right? Last one is what? Minus 7. The whole divided by y cube. Once again, all the terms are multiplied to 2y square, 8y minus 5y. Now add both, minus 17 divided by y cube. Now write in order, 2y square. Next, plus 3y, 8y minus 5y, 3y. Next, 8 minus 17, that is minus 9. Am I right? Here, denominator is what? Y cube. That means what? The y cube involving here y cube, by here also y cube, here also y cube. Am I right? Now cancel 2 by y plus 3, cancel no? Y square. Here 9 by y cube. What is the question? The question involving x variable, no? Now answer also involving x variable, that's important. But y is involving. But y is what? X minus 2. Once again, replace y by x minus 2. Next, 3 by x minus 2 whole square. Again, 9 by x minus 2 whole power 3. This is the answer. By using substitution method, the x variable is converted to y variable. After simplification, once again replace y variable, we get the answer. But this question we have only one problem, x is problem. It is of the form denominator whole power 3. This is the only problem involving whole power 3. This is the substitution method. Mind it. Some other method also is there, but lengthy conversation will come. This is the easy method. Denominator having x minus the whole cube. the power thing, inside but whatever may be, you will assume y. From this relation, you will find out x. Now, question is involving x variable. Substitute y x value and y value, x minus 2 value, we get only involving y variable. After simplification, once again, replace y value, we get answer. Already told you in algebra, we have lengthy chapter. The permutation combination 4 exercise. This one is 5th exercise. 2 more exercises also there. Total 7 exercise. Lengthy chapter. But anyway, from this exercise, first exercise, definitely 1 5 mark will come. Usually 3 mark or 5 mark. Definitely one question from this model. This is the only problem. This 2 mark or 3 mark. Remaining question, actually previous one, third type, second type, definitely 5 mark question. Okay, that was all the problem. Study that. That's all.